Welcome back to the Mischief Kittens. Today we're focusing on Scallywag, but first, Ruckus, Chaos and Panda are siblings. Scallywag and Mayhem are not, despite their looks. So, Chaos is at the front. Panda, who's black and white, is playing with the ball toy next to Ruckus. Panda's a bit rough for his siblings, to be honest, but they all love each other very much. Under the bookshelf behind the ball toy, you can just see a silhouette. That is Scallywag, who is the only one who came directly from the street. And that's May showing her best feature. Thank you, May. May is the most energetic. She must be adopted with Panda because he's the second most energetic and they need each other, otherwise they will turn psychotic and kill everything. Ruckus and Chaos can be adopted separately, but they are so sweet. Look at Chaos. Ruckus just came nearby, so she started licking him. That's just what they're like. They're so lovely. As you can see, all four of the main kittens get on, and Scallywag is very, very introverted and quite scared. When Scallywag emerges, you can actually see the other kittens stiffen and stare at him because it's so unusual. He's been with me about a month now, and this video is basically the best session that I ever had with Scallywag, or Cal. So Cal hasn't moved yet. Ruckus just walks past, which is totally fine. With Cal, he tolerates everyone and he doesn't mind them. So he's poking his head out. May is under the triangle. And Cal and May are playing, which is funny because they're at opposite ends of the energy spectrum. As you can see, Chaos and Ruckus look almost identical. Chaos has a blue collar. Chaos is braver but snugglier. Ruckus hides most of the time, but he's actually more active, and when he decides he likes you, he will lick you so much. Cal playing with the balls, and he is out. He knows I'm filming. I'm trying really hard not to look at him directly or move. It's so funny to see him pounce on May and May run away. But May is so startled that he's actually playing that it's almost like they're meeting for the first time. Despite her energy, May is quite skittish and easily scared. It's just she's so energetic and playful that she gets over it quickly. Like all kittens, she feels braver if she can interact with someone through a barrier. So she and Cal have a scratching pad between them, but they can reach each other around the sides. But Cal has spent weeks and weeks observing all the others, and so Cal knows exactly how they're going to behave. It's amazing to see Cal initiating play like that. And Panda just was slightly rough with one of his sisters, so the sister ran off. That happens all the time. He's much better matched to May than his own sisters. He's got a felt ball that they're all fascinated with. That's May on the left. Chaos on the right with the collar. May has decided, okay, I'm playing with Scallywag now. And so what she does when she decides to engage is she races across the room, usually smacks them in the face or hisses, and then runs away again, because she is not great at gentle introductions. But of course, Cal knows that. He's seen her do it before, and so he's not fast. Cal is extremely tolerant, particularly given how scared he is. I've never heard him even hiss. He let me pat him from day one, straight off the street. That's Ruckus, I think, washing herself in the foreground now. Cal emerging from under the bookshelf. Cal does tend to come out for a little while, then go back to a hiding place, then come out again when he's ready. I'm lying down on the bed, as unthreatening as possible. And there's Panda. A lot of foster cats will come and sniff my toes when they're a bit scared of the rest of me, so they can get my scent but feel like they're safe from my hands. That is Cal giving himself a bit of a wash, while Ruckus and I think Chaos are under the shelf. Oh, what a lovely roll by Scallywag. And then he glances over because he knows I'm watching, and he's just choosing to allow it this time. That's Panda purring next to me. And May. And Cal's had enough.